Welcome back to the channel, where today we're diving deep into the world of online course creation. If you've ever dreamed of sharing your expertise with the world and generating substantial income in the process, this video is your gateway. We're not just talking about any online course, we're discussing a comprehensive step-by-step guide that could easily command top dollar in today's market. Imagine a course so valuable it mirrors the success of a $14,000 blockbuster on Warrior Plus. This is your exclusive invitation to join the Elite Six-Figure Freedom Club, where members gain complimentary access to the groundbreaking course creation shortcut. This isn't your average quick fix course. It's a detailed blueprint designed to catapult you into the realm of significant online earnings. Today, we're pulling back the curtain to offer you a sneak peek into what makes this course a game changer, from brainstorming potential topics, validating your ideas, to filming high-quality content and mastering promotion. We've got it all covered. As we step into March 2024, seize this unique opportunity to join the Six-Figure Freedom Club at an unprecedented price. This month only, unlock the door to this comprehensive course and a community of action takers, all for an investment that's a fraction of its true value. Ready to transform your expertise into a lucrative online course? Let's embark on this journey together, starting with the critical first step of topic research and validation. Stay tuned as we navigate the path to creating, promoting, and profiting from your online course, one lesson at a time. Welcome to your future in course creation. All right, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be looking at how to create an online course. This will be a step-by-step guide. We're going to jump right in. Before we do that, I actually just created a brand new course. It's called Course Creation Shortcut, and members of the Six-Figure Freedom Club get free access to this course. This is a 4.6 hour. So this is not just a run-of-the-mill 1 hour course. This is a course that would easily sell for $97 or more. I once made over $14,000 on Warrior Plus selling an affiliate marketing course. This course is just as good or better. And so I know that I would be able to make more money with this course, but I want to offer this exclusively to only members inside of the Six-Figure Freedom Club. So if you want to go check that out, you'll click the link below. You can see all the members that are already taking action watching this course right over here. I can give you a sneak peek of what it looks like real quick. So we are now adding to our course library. You'll now get access to Course Creation Shortcut. And you can see right over here all of the different topics, brainstorming your potential course topics, solidifying and validating your course topic selections, brainstorming your curriculum, outline creation, equipment that you'll need, creating your course banner, creating your logo as well, your course promotion video, writing your course description. Right over here, I've got a unique prompt for ChatGPT that will write you an course description, filming your course videos, and then I had to break this one up into multiple using different softwares and so forth, editing your courses as well, where to sell your course. And then there's two sections of that: promoting your course, managing course for reviews. Look at all of the lessons right over here. This is a really good course. So go jump in. You can get access to this right now in March for just $27. The price is going to go up to $37 or $47. I haven't decided yet for the Six-Figure Freedom Club access. So this is the month, March of 2024, to jump in and get it for the lowest price that you will ever see this Six-Figure Freedom Club at. With that said, let's jump in to step number one, which is topic research and validation. So what you're going to do with the way that I teach to do this, you're going to go over to ChatGPT. You're going to say, give me 10 most trending topics in 2024 in the marketing niche. Most likely, you're going to already have a niche in mind or a topic that you have built your YouTube channel around or built an email marketing list around, whether that's email marketing, whether it's marketing in general, whether it is video creation, whether it's TikTok, TikTok or Amazon related, affiliate marketing related, whatever it's going to be, Etsy, selling on Etsy, all that kind of good stuff, right? But you're going to put that topic in right here, and it's going to dive in further and give you 10 trending topics that have to do with your niche. And so some stand out, short form video content. I'm seeing TikTok all over the place right now. YouTube Reel, YouTube Shorts is trying to compete with them. It's a back and forth. This is not going to go away in 2024. It's just going to get bigger and bigger. Right now with the TikTok Shop affiliate program and all that's all I'm seeing all over my YouTube feeds on multiple channels. So that is definitely a sign that is really popular, and maybe we want to look into that. You can see there's some really good stuff over here as well. Another one that stands out is this one, user-generated content, UGC. That's pretty new this last couple of years, and so that's popular as well. I'm going to go with the short form video content. So that's not just enough to be like, okay, I'm going to create this. We need to go and validate this and see what we can come up with. So right over here, I'll go into a keyword research tool. This is SE ranking, and I'll type in TikTok affiliate, and we'll just see what kind of questions are being asked. You can see the trends right over here. The trend graphs, it's just going up right here. Let's look at this right here. It's just growing like crazy. TikTok affiliate program, TikTok shop affiliate. I don't think that's even accurate, the amount of searches, but this is a good way to validate. You can come in here and you can type in your seed keyword and then go and find out more keywords that you could go and target. And then we could go in here. Also, another thing is going into the Google Trends right over here. So I typed in TikTok shop affiliate program, and you'll see that over time right here, there was not even a thing. And then all of a sudden right over here, boom, we are skyrocketing in February of 2024. And that goes along exactly what I'm trying to say with your YouTube feed is just being blown up with people talking about the TikTok shop affiliate program. And you can see it's at an all-time high right there. And then you can go and narrow it down even further to TikTok shop affiliate. And a way that I did that was I come in here and I do more keyword research in vidIQ to see what YouTube is saying about this as well. I typed in TikTok shop affiliate program and we get about 16,000 searches. It says that this is a great keyword to go off of. So this could be a good keyword to go for. But if you want to capture a really large audience and cast a wide net, you might want to go in here and put TikTok shop affiliate as the first part of your course. And this one has over 700,000 searches right now from what vidIQ is saying on YouTube. So that's a massive keyword and a huge audience right there, and it's only getting more popular and more popular. So I'll take that. That's enough to show that, yes, this is very popular. Look at all this. TikTok shop affiliate, boom, 57,000 views, 53,000 views, 41,000 views, 354,000 views from someone right here that's talking about this stuff. So it's just getting better and better. So then what we'll come over here and do is we'll come over here and we'll type in a TikTok shop affiliate just to see if there's some courses. There's already people starting to talk about this on Udemy as well. That's always a good sign. There's going to end up being hundreds of or even thousands of courses on this topic on Udemy, but you can be one of the first people to upload a course on here as well, and you could make a small fortune if you time it right. So then what do we do next? Step number 2, we're going to create our course outline. So what I'll do is I'll come over here and I'll find a course over here, and we'll say TikTok shop affiliate amplifier. This is 3 hours long. I usually don't go more than 3 hours because I don't want this to end up being just too long. I want to keep my courses around 3 hours. 2 to 3 hours is a sweet spot. We'll come in here and we'll grab all these. And what's really cool is we can actually come in here and expand this whole thing. So I'm going to go ahead and expand the outline of the course right here by just clicking all these down arrows and then once we're done, we'll come over here and we will copy all of that as well. I'll copy that, and then what we'll do is we'll come over here and we will go start off with this prompt over here. And the prompt will say, take the following course outline and change it by 20%. So it is not the exact same. Make it even more interesting and cover some topics that are not covered in the course. Here is the course outline. So I'll go ahead and I'll go right there and I'll do a Control V, and then I will push enter in ChatGPT, and it's going to go out there and it's going to analyze that outline, and then it's going to go out there and start creating us a really good outline. We can click on the arrow right here. So it says course overview, introduction to the world of TikTok for e-commerce. Then we can get into getting started with TikTok Shop, deep dive into TikTok Shop, becoming a TikTok Shop affiliate, the essentials, foundation. So we have this entire outline that we're now going to have. We can take this and we can copy this and paste it into a Google spreadsheet or a Excel spreadsheet and make it look all nice and neat. I'll go log into and just show you what one of mine looks like right over here. So here's what one could look like right here. You create your sheet right here. You create these boxes right here, and then you put a little X in there after you remake your record, after you create the video. It helps you to stay on track, helps you to tell you exactly what's been done and what to create next. This is the outline of the course that I just created. If you want this course right here, very detailed information, 4.6 hours of content, then you can go and get my course creation shortcut with just the link below. You get access to the Six Figure Freedom Club for just $27 and you get access to this course right here. So now we have our outline. What do we do next? Step 3. We record one lesson at a time. It's important to not get overwhelmed. If you just take one at a time, and even if you only can record one video per day, and on average, my courses are about 20 lessons long. Do the math. You could pump out one course per month. Just think about that. You could have a course empire. After 1 year, you could have 12 premium 2 to 3 hour long courses and have an entire course empire, course library that you can go out and create content for and promote to get people into there. And you can sell it like a library, like on the school platform, and offer people that come into your membership. You could give all of those courses away to them for signing up to your membership. Or if you want to go the traditional route of just selling your online course one at a time, then you would be marketing your course for, maybe you create one course that month, right? Then the next month you spend a month on the side. Let's say you're creating 2 videos a day. One video is going to be a YouTube video promoting the course that you just created. And you're going to spend the entire month, Monday through Friday, so 20 videos promoting that course that you just created. And then the other video that you're going to create is working on your next course already. So you would have a course empire and a business just doing that, okay? But you want to choose whether to be on camera or not. That's another important step. I choose to be off camera, faceless, as it's not important to be on camera, and it speeds up the process from many standpoints. One, you don't have to get dressed and put your makeup on and comb your hair and do all those things to get camera ready on a daily basis. And imagine if you're doing what I'm telling you, you're going to be recording videos for your course on a daily basis. So you're not going to have time to get ready like that every single day. So it just makes sense to be faceless. And just think about it. Here's a great concept that I can argue against anybody saying that you need the personal touch and you need to be on screen. For one, you can just be on the camera like I'm doing right here, and that's just the best of both worlds. But if you're going to be the full-fledged talking head video, high definition camera, all that stuff, first of all, you've got to have $1,000 camera or more, or it's not going to look that good. And then second, just remember, have you ever been in class, right? Whether you're in high school or college, and the teacher is at the front of the class and they either have a whiteboard with markers or they have a blackboard back in the day. They don't have a screen or anything fancy going on. It's just them and then the blackboard, and they're writing stuff on the blackboard, right? And so essentially that's what you're looking at right now. This is a slide right here with text on it, and then you have audio and I'm teaching you something. That's already hitting 2 things where people can see text on a screen, they're learning something from the bullets that you have on the screen, and 2, they're listening to your voice and what you're teaching them. You don't need to be on camera for people to learn a concept, right? And so it's just much easier to record. And I've already proven, I've made over $350,000 with faceless YouTube channels of just me recording my screen. And I've proven already that you do not have to be on camera in order to do this, okay? So then step 4, sales page and upload the course to a platform, right? So choose which platform you're going to use. You can use Thinkific, Teachable, ClickFunnels. You can do a traditional WordPress site. There's all kinds of different ways, but if you're brand new, then I recommend System.io or Gumroad. They're both free to start using, and they're very easy to learn. So those are the 2 that I recommend right now, believe it or not. So go out and take action on building your course. because no matter what, watching this video, taking my course, all those things, they're not going to help you if you don't apply that knowledge. At the end of the day, you've got to take that knowledge and you've got to go out and actually start recording your course and taking action, or you won't be making any money from online course sales. Okay. So remember, once again, Course Creation Shortcut. I just created this and gave access to my Six Figure Freedom Club members on Friday. That's this past Friday. They got it right before March. So it's basically launching in March. This is the first that you're being notified about this. The only way to access a Course Creation Shortcut is with the Six Figure Freedom Club. So go sign up for the Six Figure Freedom Club and get access to my brand new Course Creation Shortcut and learn what it's all about. I've made over $70,000 selling online courses the last couple of years, and you can learn how to do that too in this nice course, all tidied up. It takes you step by step exactly what to do. So I hope to see you inside the Six Figure Freedom Club, and I'll see you in the next video.